How do I set goals when I don't know where to start? Is a common problem with business owners when coming to set goals. It can feel like under pressure to work out what you want to achieve or how you're going to go about it. And it's very easy for the obstacles to start coming in as soon as you think, oh, I want to achieve that. But your brain automatically kind of goes into the problems and the obstacles and what's going to stop you from setting the goals. So all of that plays a part when you're planning on setting goals for the next financial year. So the best way to go about it is to trust your gut instinct and your subconscious mind, and try to go into your subconscious mind and get that working harder for you. So you may have heard of Julia Cameron's book, The Morning Pages. And she describes a technique when writing to just, open the page, not think about it, and just start letting the pen go to where it wants. And that's the same technique for setting goals. I always start with mind mapping, so a blank sheet of paper, a coloured pen, and put 1-2 words in the middle of what you want to achieve for the year. Don't overthink it, just let the morning pages concepts come to you and just instinct, gut instinct, subconscious mind, dump down the first thing that comes to mind, because that is the right approach for it. That is that's the truth of what you want to achieve. So let the pen do the talking for you and just start to, push yourself. And what else? And what does that mean? And what does that look like? And again, let your subconscious and instinct take the lead. At this point, you don't need to think about the hows or the what ifs or the wheres. Just brain dump of what you want to achieve. And then we can talk about the next step. And if you want to set goals and are ready to sit down and set goals for 2024, I am running my annual goal setting workshop on Friday, the 8th of December. Please DM me, get in touch, and I'll send you the link to find out more.